All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. If you guys are out here in Houston for Texas 2K, or if you guys are heading to Mexico, make sure you guys are being safe, being smart. Now, finally got some tires, man. We're gonna be ditching the garbage Pilot Super Sports that are on the GT350 and replacing them with some good old Mickey Thompson meat. So as you guys can see here, we got some good old Mickey Thompsons. We got some Mickey Thompson ET Street SS's. These are going to be some 305, 35, 19. These are the same tires I had on the 2-valve, and these were amazing. So far, these are actually the best tires that I've ever had on a car, even better than the Pilot Sport 4S's and the Toyo R888Rs that I have on the FRS. Now, honestly, these are pretty good just driving around. Now, when I had the 2-valve, these tires never gave me any issues. I could drive in the rain, I could drive in cold weather, obviously hot weather, and they did their job. The car never spun, so hopefully they perform the same on the GT350. Now, I know some tires, depending on the sizes, is when they kind of can get sketched. Now, I had a 15-inch ET Street SS. We have a 19-inch now. And I was told that these are some fantastic stock-like replacements for the Michelins that are currently on the shelf, because if you guys see here, they are the same exact specs as the OEM tires, just a better compound. We're gonna get these swapped out and we're gonna see how they actually go ahead and perform. All right, let's get a cold start going. It's been a day since I started the car and it's pretty cold, so raining a lot, so can't expect that, but sheesh, it is pretty bad. I ain't gonna lie. I think it's right here.
The destination is on your right. 1021 Tanner Road. Arrived.
Oh yeah. Ooh, got some nice cars here. I saw that 392 like a couple days ago. Is that 392? No, it's a Hellcat. What to say? I thought that was a. God damn. I saw that car a couple days ago. Alright, let's pop this Yui. Oh shit. Look at this. What the fuck? Ooh. Oh wait. Oh wait, hold on. Damn. This is badass. Got the TBMs. What? No, that's aerospace, not even TBM. That's aerospace fronts. Got the carbon doors. Shoot. This guy really said my car ain't shit. Damn! Wow. This is fucking sick. The midnight car. Pull up. Oh my god. Got a Cobra here too. Look at all these trucks. Yeah, I don't have enough for any of these cars. I need boost ASAP. All right, so we got the radials mounted on the stock wheels. Looks pretty damn good, in my opinion. Same exact diameter, same size. A little bit more poke. But overall looks pretty good. Alright, just pumped some E85, so might get a couple hits in this vid. Not too sure how many we're gonna be able to do because the ground is a little bit wet, but we should be able to at least get a test hit. No lift shifting, just to see if they actually do hook up. All right, let's go ahead and test this out a little bit. I don't have too much time on my hands, but should be able to get a test hit in. I am still expecting it to spin from a 40, but as long as it's a straight line spin, I'm fine with that. Car drives the same as it did with the other tires, just a different compound. All right, buddy, go. All right, we'll do a test hit right here, a 40. Better. It spun a little bit, but for the most part it hooked. These are way better. Now here we go. Now we're talking. Do a first gear hit. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Y'all. For the most part, this shit working. Baby. purposely shifting slow because I mean I'm not racing nobody, so what the hell's the point of trying to no lift shift and shift fast? But hey, this thing is hooking and booking. This thing is hooking and booking now. From first, I mean it's like a little sketch, but hey look, I already know for a fact, just get some heat in these tires, we good. I already know we good from a 60. We good from a 55 and a 60. Hell yeah, we hooking and booking, y'all. We good. Let me get the hell out this area, but we good. All right, so far so good. I am not noticing any rubbing at all, but time will tell. That's kind of why I got the same exact specs as OEM, but I ain't noticing no rubbing. Shouldn't have any issues. Should be good. Should be good. See how good these rock guards are though. But should be straight. All right, so if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, and turn those post notifications, man. Finally got a tire on the car. So far, again, so good. Working out, liking the way the car feels. And if you guys are looking for some upgraded tires for your Shelby GT350, if you still have on the Michelin, especially those Super Sports, the first generation Super Sports, Mickey Thompson 18 Street SS's are perfect. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Deuces.